So I was in a pretty significant car accident, had some injuries that needed to be treated. I had been referred to Tim Bussey for other reasons and decided that he would be the best fit for handling my case. I was most worried about treatment, whether I was going to get the proper care. Could I go to the doctors that I wanted to go to? Would I be able to heal quickly? How long all of that process was going to take? How all that was going to get paid for? Just a lot of concerns about my treatment.
When somebody calls our office and they've been in a serious car accident, they're immediately nervous because there's a lot of moving pieces, especially when they're still seeking medical attention. And quite often they're in pain. There's a lot of moving pieces. You've been injured, your car's been damaged, you can't go to work. And what we want to do for you is immediately start seeking justice. We want to make sure that you get the right health care. We want to make sure that you're going to get a car that you can drive in. We don't want those medical expenses to be piled up so you're getting a lot of delinquency notices. We're going to get at the front of that and start taking care of you so that we can ensure you're going to get the justice that you deserve. Some of the biggest mistakes that I see when someone's been in a serious car accident is they're not getting the proper legal representation. With the proper legal representation, we're going to ensure that you're going to get the proper medical care. We're going to ensure that you're going to get the proper representation with the insurance company. We're going to ensure that we're going to work your case from beginning to end to get you the justice that you deserve.
So the end result of my case was all of my medical expenses were taken care of. I had to have surgery, so all of that was taken care of. I had a lot of rehab and physical therapy post-surgery, and all of that was taken care of. Additionally, my vehicle was in pretty bad shape, and they took care of that as well. So ultimately, my case was closed. I got everything that I needed, everything that I wanted, including stress-free. They took care of everything for me. I would consider the best things about the Bussey Law Firm is how helpful they are, how caring they are about not just my case, but me, and how thorough they were at covering every single aspect of my case.
It's important to have an experienced trial attorney represent you on your case. Whether it's criminal or civil, you need somebody that can ultimately take the case to trial, put it in front of a jury, and argue your side of the case. There are certain cases, whether the insurance company doesn't want to pay you the money that you deserve, or the DA is making you a horrible plea offer, or you simply want to go to trial so that you can have your story heard. You need somebody that can tell your story to a jury so that you can get the best possible result.
I would absolutely recommend anyone to choose the Bussey Law Firm for any of their cases. Primarily, I would say that the big gimmick type of companies, you're just a case file to them, their next paycheck, but the Bussey Law Firm really took care of me as a person and made me feel like I matter.